In this video, I will share with you a trick and a tip to achieve a perfect bechamel sauce. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Annie Krieger. In a classic bechamel sauce, what you will find is flour. You will also find butter and milk. But today I have something special for you, okay, which is onion. If I want to go for a special bechamel sauce, I love to go for some blended onion, okay, and bay leaf. Now today I will share this amazing recipe with you to boost the taste of your bechamel sauce. So stay tuned please, and please don't forget to hit the like button if you like what you're seeing. Let's get started. To begin, you want to get a suitable pot for the quantity of your bechamel sauce. Introduce your butter. I have 120 grams of butter, 120 grams flour. Now let your butter get melt and introduce your flour step by step. At this point, I would say we've achieved our white roux. You can also go ahead and make your brown roux for brown sauces or white sauce, okay? But that is not the point for today. We are making bechamel today. Now here is the tip I have for you, lovelies. The moment you are done adding your flour, you achieve your roux, okay? Just stir a little bit to get rid of the raw taste of flour. You want to turn off your heat completely. Turn off the heat and let your roux cool down a little bit, okay? Then you can introduce your milk. This is the only way we will avoid having any lumps in our bechamel sauce. I promise you, if you do that, you will have the best bechamel. Now here is a tip from me. Adding onion to your bechamel sauce, okay? In most recipes, of course, adding onion is nothing bad, and guys, tasted fantastic. So I added some blended onion, okay, just small amount of blended onion. I added one bay leaf. I added a small amount of salt, some pinch of white pepper, okay, and then some nutmeg, okay guys. Like in a bechamel sauce, there's nothing like bechamel sauce without nutmeg. It's very important. Now go ahead, turn on your heat and stir gently, okay? Not too much high heat, just on a low heat. Continue to stir to achieve a nice thickened bechamel sauce. And guys, this is what we have. It looks super good. What you see inside are just the onion we added, okay? If not, it is the best bechamel sauce. So guys, you can have your bechamel sauce for lasagna, you can have it for moussaka, you can have it for casseroles, okay? Some pasta casserole or some vegetable casserole. You can have it for egg benedict, a lot of recipe. And I had mine for lasagna today, and that's it. So I don't see why you should buy some bechamel sauce when you can make yours at home. It's very simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look at those top of my lasagna, how creamy and yummy it looks. So I appreciate you all for watching. If this is your first time, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for still watching. Give your thumbs up, leave your opinion in the comment section, share it with your loved ones, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.